Hillbilly slider. Mom, these are what I
Let's go
want.
ask that guy if the alligator's still in here.
Well, it says it. These are what I wanted, Mom. These are Yellowbelly sliders.
That big?
I'm surprised these turtles don't flop off when they see us. I guess they're so used to us.
Yes. Look at the minnows swimming around the turtle. On its back.
That's what those are. Yellow belly. Yeah, you can.
Yeah, you can.
Oh, yeah, you can.
They look so much like the wood, you know. You have to look carefully. So when they lift their heads up, then you can see the little belly. Yellow belly.
Do you see that thing over there? It's like a head.
I don't think it is though.